In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install DocuWorks Tray. I did have DocuWorks Tray downloaded on my PC and extracted. So right now I'm just going to be running the setup. So let's go ahead and run as administrator. Select the language. I'll be selecting English. Okay, just go ahead and press next. So again, DocuWorks Tray is already running version 2.1, and this is the second version since it was launched. Okay, so that's why it's called DocuWorks Tray 2. All right, so just click on yes. I accept the license agreement, and you're now going to be asked for the serial number. Now, I currently hold a volume license for DocuWorks Tray 2. So for the rest of the options that we have, if in case that you're activating via serial number, I guess that it's the same thing that you currently have. Okay. But again, you can let me know if there's any changes on the step. So, maybe we can try to record it for you. All right. So let me key in my volume license. After I key in my volume license, I go ahead and press next, and then it arrives on this screen. It's now asking me to completely install DocuWorks Tray 2 and to confirm if I'm ready to begin the installation. So I'll just go ahead and proceed to install. All right, installation is now completed. So now it's setting up DocuWorks Tray. So it's confirming that it needs .NET Framework. All right, so I'll just press yes to install that. Now this is for the tray to work with working folder. Okay, even if you don't need it, maybe in the future you will. So it's best to actually have that installed for you. So it's just completing the installation. I'll pause the recording and get back with you shortly once it's installed. So now it's completed the setup. Let's go open our DocuWorks to see where my tray is. Okay, let me go ahead and open DocuWorks desk again. Earlier, the tray doesn't appear because I guess there's some glitch in DocuWorks earlier with the programs because it's currently open. So what I did is to close it and reopen it again. So automatically you will see the tray over here. So now it has been successfully installed. So what I can tell you guys is that if in case that you wanted to have a tray in your DocuWorks, make sure that you purchase additional license for the DocuWorks tray. All right, it's separate from the DocuWorks desk, so make sure that you are aware that it's a separate license and you have to purchase it separately from the DocuWorks desk. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.